Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the best apps for Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So let's get started. Now, as you can see, I have a list of the best apps on Chromecast. The first app on my selection is Browser. This is a browser app. The next app you can see is YouTube. Next is Unlinked. You can find Plex also, and then Tubi TV, Pluto TV, Spotify, File Manager Plus, Local Send, Proton VPN, Netflix, and I'm also into the infotainment part of things. So I also would shortlist, or I'll give a mention, an honorable mention to Magellan TV. Now, installing these apps, the browser application, but generally just an overview. So these are the apps of my here. Most of these apps are downloaded through the Play Store. I have lots of videos on this channel showing you how to download and install apps. I have videos showing you how to download and install each of these apps specifically. But just give you a rundown. If you come over to apps right here and then under the apps selection, just go to search for apps and games. If you type in the browser application, so browser, just browser and then you search. This is search for browser. The app's name is browser. It has that big O. This is it right here. So if you click on it, you can install it from here. That method will work for, and this by the way is the embedded version of the Google Play Store. So this is the embedded portion of Google Play Store. The Google Play Store can be accessed through the long form where you actually open the app. But with that embedded form, you can easily just download and install apps. You can install apps like browser, you can install YouTube, you can install Plex, Tubi, all with the same method I just showed you. Pluto TV, Spotify, File Manager Plus, Local Send, Proton VPN, and Netflix. So all the apps I have on this list, you can install them via that method. You can also go to quick settings, all settings, go down to apps. You can go down to see your apps and then head over to show system apps. This is how we'll get to go to the Play Store. So on this list, just scroll down until you find the G, so an alphabetical list, and then you have a Google Play Store. So if you open the Play Store again, you can access all of those apps that I mentioned in the same way. You just click on the search button and search for the apps. You can even see the browser app in the background there already. The download app is ready here as well. Spotify is here and so on. Plex is there. File Manager Plus is there. VLC, honorable mention, and all these other apps. So those are the two primordial ways you could download and install these apps straight into Chromecast. Now also, an app like Unlinked will not be found on the Play Store, yes. Or maybe you just want another alternative. So you could use the download application to download some apps. That will be done by ensuring that unknown sources is checked. So ensure you can give your device permission to download unknown apps or apps from unknown sources. The same as we talk about on sideloading apps and downloading and installing third-party apps. So just head over to settings, go to about, not apps, about. Okay, rather system. So system and then about is under system. Click on about and then come down here and click on the build number 7 times. This make you a developer and give you the permissions to be able to download and install apps from unknown sources. and also download and install unknown apps. From there, you just head over to the downloader app. You can get this app on the Play Store. So if you come to this app, this is the last thing I was doing actually. So you may have a code. You just come over here, type in the code, type in the app, type in the URL. So if you want to look for maybe VLC and you don't want to use the Play Store, just come VLC. You just type in the name of the app. I have a lot of videos, I have code stuff shared with you to download multiple apps. So just VLC APK. So in the case where you do not have a code, if you have a code, just put in the code and take OK. Now if you do not have the code, you can just type in VLC APK and then click on search. So that will show you different versions of the application, different places to download it based on different links. Just choose a link and navigate on that link and go to the download button. Click on the download button within that link. Downloader takes over the download. Boom, it gets downloaded. And then you head over to the install process. So this is an example. If I choose this link from malavida.com, just to show you an example, there is the download button. So this will generate the real download button. So that is that, and then this is a real download button. When this loads up, you just click on download and downloader will take over this download. You download the app, from there it installs, same routine. So I'll go back out. That's the second method. So these are the apps I recommend you should have on Chromecast. They would ease your workflow. They are very good apps. Browser is to browse the internet. You could also download APK files to browser. YouTube to surf on YouTube for streaming. On link to download other apps, app libraries for those who are in the know. If you know, you know. And then Plex, free movies, free TV shows. The same with Tubi, free movies, free TV shows. You don't even need to sign in. Pluto TV the same. Spotify, you can stream your music online. App Manager Plus is very important to manage your apps. You manage your applications, manage your APKs, manage your documents, manage your music, manage your files, media, all that on File Manager Plus. A very good application. Local send is what you use to send media back and forth from your Chromecast to your smartphone or your laptop and so on. I just spoke to you about VPN. A VPN is very important when using some apps like Pluto TV. So Proton VPN, very good one. Netflix is a standard, and that's it for this video. So if you found that useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. This is DaveTech signing out.